Welcome friends. Today I am going to present the expected trading zones for the S&P 500 futures for the week of July 8, 2018. I find that currently going on tariff trade war has hardly any impact over US stock market and well on the Chinese market. So both the markets are looking unaffected by the widely anticipated trade war developments. Therefore, I find that we are going to see a lot of indecisiveness in equity market during the upcoming week. Let us see the movement of S&P future index, which started their upward journey from 2016 onward. Since then, S&P futures started to move upward continuously up to the level of 2879, where they faced stiff resistance in January 2018. Then they came downward up to the level of 2546, where there we witnessed a buying spree in the beginning of February 2018. Once again, S&P future index moved upward to the level of 2804, where they faced resistance once again and came downward up to the level of 2622, from where once again they moved upward, and currently, after facing resistance at the previous highs of 2788, they are currently trading at these levels. In a weekly chart, you can see that during the last week, we have seen formation of a bullish hammer, means we have seen a continuously buying spree during the last week, but I find that still we are facing resistance at these levels. Let us see the movement of S&P 500 futures in a daily chart for a more closer view. Here you can see that after taking a strong support at 200 DMA, S&P futures are moving in a positive territory and try to sustain above the level of 2726, and this is a very important level. But on the other side, you can see that they are constantly facing resistance at this downward sloping line. Here you can see that they are constantly facing resistance, and after facing resistance they came downward, and once again they are trying to move upward. And on the last trading day of the week, we have witnessed a good buying spree, which may bring them towards more upward targets. No doubt that S&P future will try to cross this resistance at 2774, but no doubt that they will find a stiff resistance at the first level of 2841. From there they can come downward with a steep move. Let us see the movement of S&P futures in a 4-hour chart. Here you can see that all the moving averages are indicating the continuity of this uptrend during the upcoming week. Here you can see that in a 4-hour chart, the S&P futures have crossed the 200 DMA, and the other moving averages are also indicating that this uptrend will remain during the next week. In this volatility, I find that S&P futures will try to move up to this resistance level at 2818, from where they can come downward for 200 DMA support. After a consolidation, S&P future may take once again an upward move up to this level, but I find that this will be a very volatile week for S&P futures. If in this process S&P futures take sharp downward move, they will find their first support at 2720. No doubt if they break this strong support level at 2720, they will try to remain in a negative territory, and they will move more downward toward 2670 level. So friends, be cautious before taking any position. You are going to see a lot of volatility during the upcoming week. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share this channel with your more and more friends.